This is the front view. Here it says register your product on the site to claim 1 month's extra warranty for free. So that's the pen. That's from the back, guys. This is the area, writing area. It is saying this is 10 inch by 6.25 inch, and here is the tilt angle that you can write that much of angle. Customizable shortcuts and can be written using both hands. So here you can see its specs, guys, and under here you can see the model name, and here guys on this level you can see it says it says the MRP is 9499, that is 9499, and I got it under 6000 rupees in the sale. So let us quickly unbox this, guys, and let's see what we have in the box. So let us cut it. Very beautiful packing, guys. I'll provide the Best Buy link in the description of this video, guys. You can check out from there. See this, guys, beautiful packing from the brand XP pen, you can see here. So this is the outer packing, guys. Let's keep it aside. So I guess we are keeping it down. This is, yes, it opens like this here, and here's our pad itself. This is the thickness of the pad, guys. देख सकते हैं आप. It is written somewhere here. Something is written here. Working time Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So let us quickly unwrap this from the film. So we'll come to this in a minute. Before that, let us keep the box side and let's see what we get in the box. So guys, you get this screen card with this, which you can install, and here's the manual, and you get the writing tips and 2 USB connectors. You can see here USB, micro USB, and this is USB A to USB C converter, and this is micro USB converter. This is our USB A lead, and here it will go in our writing pad. So that's all. This is the warranty card, guys, and let us quickly unwrap this. Let's see whether we get something else. So that's all we get in the box. Here, 2 converters. This thing, guys, this is to wear this here, so that whatever you write, it will be easy to write. It will be worn here on the finger, so that when you write, it won't take your impression of your nails. So this is the warranty product, this is the manual, and this is again quick guide. Let us keep them aside. So again USB cable, tips, then very beautiful thing. This is nip ejector. Also a stand to keep your pen. Here you can see, and this is the pen itself, guys. So if we keep it here and we see this, you can keep your pen here and it will be here. It's a pen stand, you can see, and it is also a nip extractor. You can extract the nip by pressing inside. Okay, so here you can see. So let us keep them aside here, and that's all in the box, guys. Very beautiful packing. So now this is the pad, this is the film, protective film. So this is the pad itself, guys. बहुत ही हाई प्रीमियम क्वालिटी, गाइस. आप जब भी इसे हटाएंगे, गाइस, तो आपको ये फिल्म और ये वाला प्रोटेक्टर इस पर अप्लाई करना होगा. ओके, सो बेटर जब जैसे आप इसे हटाएं उसे आप अप्लाई करें एट द सेम टाइम, सो दैट कोई भी डस्ट पार्टिकल उसके बीच में स्टिक नहीं करेगा. दैट्स नाइस. कस्टमाइजेबल कीज, गाइस. दैट्स द पैड. Very nice pad. This is the writing area, guys. It's a very nice. You can see the size of this pad. Beautiful. I hope you like this video, guys.